Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you the way of how to make landing page on Wix. Nothing hard, so let's get started. Firstly, you need to open wix.com, and if you're new to this platform you can create an account by clicking on get started right up here. So Wix is a powerful software which provides us the opportunity to build a website inside of their platform. So after you'll create an account, you can do it with your Gmail account. You'll come to the next page. It looks like this. So this is our sites area where we can manage all the websites we have. So as you can see, I have 9 of them, and in order to create your new one, your landing page, we can click on create new site in the right top corner. So after that, we have the options here. If you know exactly what do you need, you can start chatting with Wix AI, and it will create template according to your prompts. But if you don't know exactly, I recommend you to click on setup without chat. So I'll show you the way of how to do that. And here we need to select what type of website do you want to create. Let it be landing page. As you can see, we have a lot of different types. We have ebook landing page, startup landing page, product landing page, and so on. I personally recommend you to select landing page. In this case, we'll have more options to select from in the future. Let's select landing page and let's click on continue. So after that, we'll come to our dashboard, and on our dashboard we can find step-by-step checklist of how to set up it. But first we need to select how do you like to call your website. Let it be like land page. Continue. What are your goals for this site? Sell products, offer services, promote a business, collect leads, and so on. And you can select the necessary category. Let's say that in my case, I want to sell products. It doesn't matter. You can select promote myself, display creative work, and so on. Let's click on continue. And here you can choose the apps you'd like to add. So I personally need online store, but also we have a lot of other categories. So we have booking, events, blog, chat, forms, music. You can find the name and also a small description inside so you can read, and after that you can understand do you need this option or not. So let's click on continue, and then we can go to dashboard to see the next step. So here we have a couple of options. As for me, I need to add products, I need to set up shipping and delivery, but the main steps are connect a custom domain, or we don't have to connect it basically, because Wix provides us the opportunity to use free domains. But if you want to make it more beautiful, to make it personalized, so I personally recommend you to do that. So you can check by clicking on let's go, is it possible to use this domain? You can input another one, and after that you can buy it directly from Wix, or you can upgrade your plan and your domain. It will be like as a part of the upgraded plan. As for me, if I want to sell services, I need to add a product, as I said. I need to set up shipping and delivery, and also I need to set up payment methods. I'll show you how to do that in another video. You can find it on my channel about like e-commerce stores, for example. And the main step here basically is to design your website. So let's click on in design site. And here we have two options, like how would you like to design your website, generate a design with AI, or customize a template. So if you know exactly what do you need, you can use generate design with AI option. But I'm going to select customize a template because I personally would like to see some examples. So let's click on pick a template. And we'll come to this page where we can find a lot of different landing pages. As you can see, it was like automatically filtered according to our choice. So here we have webinar landing page, app launch, real estate landing page, consult landing page, product landing page, and so on. So the main thing you need to know is that you can basically select any template and then you can just simply customize it according to your purpose, according to your vision. So it will be like only as an example. Let's say that I'm going to create app landing page and I see these template here. We can see on view and we can see that it looks really good. We can go to mobile view to see how will it look like as for mobile, and yeah, it looks really good. So let's click on edit this site. After that, we'll come to our editor where we can see all the options of how to interact with our site. So here we can add different elements, pages, sections. We can manage wall design according to color palette, according to font group, and so on. So let's start from the biggest part to the smallest, and first let's change site design. So in the left side menu, select this site design option and then click on change theme. So here you can click to see how will it be changed. For this template, for example, it doesn't change a lot, but still changing, as you can see. I'm going to select these one here. So technically we change all fonts and all colors are selected as a main color. So let's select this one here. The next step is to manage pages. As you can see, we have a home page, features, contact. So let's click on pages and menu to see. And features and contact here we realized as anchors. So it's not separate pages. But if you want to add a page, you can click on add page right up here. You can find a lot of templates like about, services, projects, contact. Let's say that we'd like to add about page with our team. And let's click on add page. So in a few seconds, page will be added to our website. And now it looks like this. And now we can start interacting with our sections. So let's click on add a section, for example, and we can see this section here, this section here, this section here. We can interact with it, or we can add a new sections. Let's add, for example, these welcome page right up here, welcome section. So it was added, as you can see, and now we can interact with wall section. So we can move it down, we can move it up, we can click on these three dots to see more actions. So we can delete, duplicate, make some quick edits, and so on. The same thing with elements. So inside of the section, you can find different elements. So you can find this text here, this huge text here, this button here. And in order to interact with it, just simply click and you can find these toggle menu with settings, layout, design, animation, and so on. So I personally recommend you to try it, to open the page, try to customize. For example, for these, we can click on design, we can change to make it like this, for example, and so on. So in this case, you need to interact with every single page, with every single section, with every single element here. And after it's done, you are ready to publish your website. So let's click on publish in the right top. And as you can see, congratulations, your site is published and live online. So we can click on view site. And now we can see how will it look like as for typical viewer, for typical like person inside. As you can see, everything is working. But of course, you need to like customize these buttons, these text as for your landing page as you need, because I only showed you the way of how to do that. So hope guys that this video helped you out. Also, they have like a different upgrade plans. Let's discover them. We can see they offer a lot of different features. So for landing page, you can start for free, but if you want to get some additional things like storage space, some marketing stuff, analytics stuff, you can upgrade it to Lite, Core, Business, or Business Elite. So hope this video helped you out. So leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.